What is going on? Welcome to the Business Made Me Do It podcast, where we cover business, marketing, and overall growth. This could be growth in your business or growth as a person. Today, we are going to be talking about social media and how to create the best designs that you have ever seen for a very affordable price and even free. I'm your host, Caleb Shore. As you heard in the intro, I co-founded Conversion Stream, a digital advertising agency built for the small business. So today we have 7 tips and tools to help you create social media, graphics, videos, whatever it may be. This should cover everything that you would need to know. So let's just jump right in. The first one is Canva. If you've created any type of social media content whatsoever, Canva is absolutely amazing. You can do graphics, you can do Instagram, you can do little videos, you can even do little logos as well. I use this for literally everything. The top 7, this is my number 1. So if you have not used Canva, they have a free option. You have a ton of options there. I actually pay for the premium, so I get more designs, more options. It's like $120 a year, I believe, but totally worth it. If you don't want to do that, just try it out. It's absolutely free. So number 1, Canva. That is absolutely a game changer for me. Number 2, if you ever do videos, like social media videos, Headliner, it's Headliner.app. Super, super easy to use. This is what the website looks like. They're very, very good about having the ability to transcribe. They create audiograms. You can create moving videos. There's so much you can do with Headliner. This is my second one, and pretty much every video that I put out on social media, I use this to transcribe and add little subtitles at the bottom. And then you can clip, you can do a lot of stuff with this. Number 3, Instasize. So as you know, on social media, there are multiple formats. Facebook is square, YouTube is long ways, Instagram stories is tall. So how do you resize everything? Instasize is the best thing that I found, completely free. You can resize it to pretty much anything you want. You can add backgrounds. I don't ever do that. I don't ever change colors or anything, but right here, you can add it as Instagram. It already knows, like, is this a story? Boom, it already has the dimensions in there. Is it a portrait? Is it landscape? Like, where is this content going to live? This is another one that has changed the game for me. It has saved me so much time worrying about having to create the content, long ways or up ways, and am I going to be able to redistribute this to YouTube or Facebook or whatever it may be. So number 3, Instasize. Definitely go and get that one as well. Number 4, Adobe Premiere Rush. This is actually something new to me. Another one for video editing. It is another free tool. So go ahead and go try it out now. Absolutely free. Sorry, I got a phone call. Sorry about that. Adobe Premiere Rush, number 4. I've only tweaked around it for maybe 2 weeks, so I don't have much experience with it, but it seems super powerful. There is an app that, same thing with Instasize, that's an app on your phone. So Adobe Premiere Rush is also an app, completely free. You can edit videos very quickly. It's very intuitive. You can add transitions, fade in, fade out. So definitely go check that one out as well. Number 5, WordSwag. WordSwag.co is the website, but this is also another app on your phone. So completely free. Once again, you can add graphics and text over the images. So if you want to, take a picture of yourself or whatever you're doing, and then add like a little quote, makes it super easy, super intuitive to just add little graphics on top of things. Number 5, if you are doing videos and you want to transcribe them, so like have the subtitles, Rev.com, they do this for a minute and 20. It used to be a minute, $1 per minute, but now it's a minute 20 or $1.25 per minute, and they'll transcribe whatever you want. Like if it's an hour-long YouTube video, it'll be $60, or with the new, it'd be more than 60 with $1.25. I used to use this a lot when I was putting out, a video, 2 videos a week, but very on-demand service. You upload it to the platform, you get your transcription back within, I want to say 24 hours, 24, 48 hours, and it's actually transcribed by a person, not a bot. So it's, I think they say 99% accurate. So if you're doing videos and need subtitles, this is the place to go. Number 7, Metameme, another app that is free. They have a free version, but they also have a paid version if you want to get rid of their little watermark. I don't. I found a way to kind of crop the watermark out and then repost it. I actually crop the watermark out, put it on Instasize, and then expand it out so it's the right format. But this is number 7. This is rounding up the group of, if you want to create social media content, one of these 7 is definitely going to help, if not all 7. I probably use 3 or 4 of these every other day, to be honest with you. But this has taken me probably a year and a half to find all these little things. So hopefully this gives you some value. Let me know in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, subscribe to the podcast, leave me a rating, leave me a comment below. Thank you guys. Cue the outro.